Hey there, Dotson guys here with MarineMax in Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a new listing of ours. This is a 2021 Aviara AV36 AV. She's the outboard powered, and we'd love to show it to you. Let's go check it out. Now I want to show you guys the bow of this beautiful boat. She's extremely wide and very large. You'll see right now we've got the bow filler option in. It hides the teak table that comes up, but I'll show you, I'm 6 foot for reference, just the overall size and depth of this 36 AV. You'll see we've got cup holders throughout, 12-volt charging ports, USB charging ports, stereo remote controls, as well as controls for our windlass system. That is standard in the bow. We have a remote control up here at the front. We also have our freshwater wash down as we're pulling that anchor in. But you'll see tons of room with this filler out for plenty of entertaining. As we transition to the helm, I want to mention this boat is equipped with a bow sunshade system. So it's 4 fiberglass poles that create a nice little canopy in the front. And of course you have your fast track sunshade system in the back, which we'll show you shortly. Walk through door as we're moving to the aft with a big folding windshield. Moving to the helm, cup holders throughout. You'll see the nice clean digital dash. We have a tiltable helm, beautiful as with the inlay of the Aviara symbol. We have auto trim tabs from Lenco. We have push button starts for our Mercury Marines, our digital throttle and shift, as well as that standard joystick from Mercury Marine that includes the Autopilot as well. You'll see flip helm seats, both port and starboard. This seat also slides forward and back. Cup holders down below, key switches, and conveniently AC vent blowing on you from down below. Now we'll take you down into the cabin. So big robust door with a magnetic catch behind you. 3 steps that go down below. We have a comfortable seating area, the ratcheting backrest, so we can sit conveniently in a bench style if we're just heading to dinner real quick, something to get out of the weather. We can ratchet that all the way back down and it converts into the bed. We have a pivoting TV down below with a Calypso soundbar, a microwave with storage. We have storage lockers on the starboard side, our air conditioning control and intake. Just inside the starboard side door here, we have our full wet head with vanity mirror, sink, and as well as a vacuum flush head system. There's a fan in this well-lit area, but again, that can be a wet head for showers. Now that we're coming through the walkthrough, you'll see here on the port side, we have a companion seat, convenient grab rails, as well as cup holders. This seat does pivot, so you can have an aft-facing lounge up underneath the hardtop, and again, with grab handles and cup holders conveniently placed. One of my favorite little features of the boat is the trash can pass-through door. So it's convenient pop through, and there's a trash can just underneath that aft seat. You have storage, and as well as a drop-in cooler on the port side. There is a teak table that pops in right here in the cockpit as well. Transitioning over to the wet bar and summer kitchen on the starboard side. You'll see we have a storage locker. We have an electric Kenyan grill. Over here we have the wet bar, so sink with champagne holder and cooler over on the starboard side. Underneath we have storage and another trash receptacle, as well as a 12-volt refrigerator. And just underneath the wet bar, we have a built-in insulated cooler. You'll see how large that comes out. Great place for entertaining. You'll see the size of this cockpit. In the back, forward-facing seat, probably enough for 3 or 4 people. Nice Corian throughout that matches. Again, storage underneath. Grab handles again consistently. And it's just an overall nice, easy place to hang out. We have 110 outlets if you're running your generator, which is standard on this particular boat. Now we'll go through the aft cockpit here. It's a nice wide walkway with a blocking door. And that matches all of our metal accents throughout. As I transition through, lovely place for Aviara to put fender storage. You'll also see as we come into the back of the boat, if we're coming from the dock, you have entry lights. You can tap the push of the button, so everything comes nice and conveniently lit. Across the back, we have independent lounges with ratcheting backrest. So if you want to sit nice and shallow or upright, or you can lay it all the way down, pop up the bar stools for a little added backrest, or I can come all the way up and I can have bar stools talk to the boat next to me, or from sitting at the dock, just kind of kicking back, people swimming. So a cool little feature from Aviara. Underneath these is also storage, and as well as our battery switches on the port side here. But all of these independently lift up. You have cup holders throughout and additional stanchion supports for our fast sunshade that comes off the back. Pop-up cleats on the port and starboard, and as well as a big walk-through transom for our 36 Aviara. Well, I wanted to say thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of our 36 Aviara. Again, my name is Dotson Geis with MarineMax here in Charleston. If you guys like to come see this boat in person, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Thanks for watching.